Welcome to this exquisite custom renovation nestled in the prestigious Foxvale Farm community. No detail was overlooked in refurbishing this magnificent 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath colonial home situated on a spacious 0.5-acre lot. Upon entry, you'll be greeted by an open and airy floor plan adorned with brand new 10-wide hardwood floors that seamlessly flow throughout the main and upper levels. The home is bathed in natural light from the abundance of new windows, illuminating the sleek design and modern finishes at every turn. The heart of the home, the chef's kitchen, has been meticulously expanded and upgraded with new 42 cabinets, premium quartz countertops, KitchenAid Energy Star stainless steel appliances, a convenient pot filler, a workstation sink, and an expansive waterfall island with bar seating, perfect for both culinary adventures and casual dining. Adjacent to the kitchen, the inviting family room beckons with its sleek wood-burning fireplace and access to the deck, offering an idyllic spot for outdoor relaxation and entertaining against the backdrop of the expansive backyard and 6+ acres of common area. Upstairs, the luxurious primary bedroom suite awaits, boasting a grand spa-like bath complete with an oversized 72 soaking tub, spacious shower, tub-bowl vanity with LED mirror, and dual closets with custom organizers, an indulgent retreat for rest and rejuvenation. The upper level is further enhanced by 2 additional bedrooms with hardwood floors and a modern shared bathroom and laundry area. Prepare to be impressed by the fully finished basement, a haven of leisure boasting a wet bar with an 8-foot waterfall island, sink, wine cooler, and premium quartz countertops. Opening to a patio overlooking the lush lawns of the common area, the basement provides an inviting space for guests or entertainment. A guest room with a double closet and custom organizers, and a full bathroom complete the lower level, offering seamless indoor-outdoor living. Conveniently located in the highly desirable Fairfax County school pyramid of Langley High School district, and just minutes from the charming Great Falls Village with restaurants, shops,